Hello and welcome. It's so wonderful to speak to you all again. This is so exciting because today we are learning about long multiplication and we use this method when multiplying with bigger numbers. Get ready, steady, go! I bet you can remember writing numbers out in expanded notation. That is when we break up a number in hundreds, tens, and units. First, the hundreds. This number only has 100. Then the tens. This number has 5 tens, which makes it 50, not 5. And at last the units, which is a 4. So we have taken the number 154 and broke it up into groups. We put all the hundreds together, all the tens, and all the units. Let's see how we can use this skill to multiply. Here we have a new number, number 54, and we want to multiply it by 3. We are going to break it up just like before. First, the tens, and we put the 50 on the one side. Then the units, and we put the 4 in the next space. Once we have broken up 54 into tens and units, we are going to multiply them each by 3. We can use this same method to help us multiply big numbers. Firstly, we put our numbers in the correct positions. What is our good habit again? Yeah, that's right. Big number at the top and smaller number at the bottom. And don't forget to add your multiplication symbol. Now, use your ruler to underline your sum. And here it comes, our secret special skill. We break our sum up. Like always, start on the right. First, we multiply units with units. Then the tens. Remember that 5 represent tens, so it's actually 50, making it 3 times 50. Now it is time to write some answers. 3 times 4 gives us 12, and 3 times 50 is 150. See how carefully units is written under units and tens under tens? This is so important when doing calculations. We have our answers to our multiplication sums, and it is time to add them together to get our final answer. Put an addition symbol and underline with a ruler. Add units first, which is 2. Then the tens and the hundreds. And there you have it. The product of 54 and 3 is 162. We call the answer of a multiplication sum a product. Just like sum is the answer to plus, and difference is the answer to minus. Product is the answer to a multiplication calculation. Let's quickly recap what we have been learning about today. First, write your sum underneath each other with the biggest number at the top and units under units and tens under tens. Then multiply the units first and write what you are multiplying on the side. Next, multiply tens and write what you are multiplying down. This helps you to focus on what you are doing and keeps you on track. Next up is to add your multiplication answers up by starting with the units. And if you wrote your units and tens under each other and you multiplied and added carefully, you will be a multiplication rock star. Remember, the more sums you do, the better you will get. At first, take it step by step and watch this video as many times as you want. Pause it if you need to before moving to the next step. I have added lots of resources for you for the next week. Yes, week. Don't do all of them in one day. Mental maths with an answer sheet. Another name for an answer sheet is a memo. Homework for the week with a memo so that you can check your work. Also some extra practice before you do your homework. Only question 1, remember, as well as the memo so that you can check your work. Make sure to watch the YouTube video on multiplying with multiples of 10 by Mr. J. That is it for today. I am looking forward to talking to you next time about multiplying 2-digit numbers with 2-digit numbers. Now, stay awesome!